Okay, the lady called it a charming falls, so we're gonna go check out Cascade Falls. And of course, it's Friday. I had no expectations to get a campsite, but they are booked.
It gets a little confusing because there's two sets of falls in the area called the Cascades, but this is Tetagooch State Park. I had actually hoped to see if I could spend a night in a campsite, but that wasn't going to work out. But let's go check out these falls.
Go around the corner. I really don't know if there's more falls cascading up along this trail. I'm only going a little bit further. It's beautiful though. She called this charming. These are nice falls. The trail goes up a little further. No, that was the end of the trail. I'm gonna go along these rocks, get a little closer. Coming down a really narrow spot. That's pretty cool. I've climbed up here, but for me, I think my path is done wearing sandals. I'll double check to see if the trail goes further, but it looks done here. Pretty cool.
All right, that hike was a little longer than I thought, but it was awesome. Cascade Falls. All right, I came back and they were acting like they were pretty hot. Some pretty decent hikes. Not hard, but cool falls. So Vinny is on my lap now. He had to jump past Kiki. Right, Keek? You gonna get up top soon? Yeah. Liking all those solar panels. They're kicking out a little bit of juice, even on a day like today. It's gotten hazy, it's humid. Right, Keek? Yeah. Darn, he's going my way. I'm gonna turn left. Right, Keek? Turn the air down a little bit, fellas. Clear that way, clear this way. This is lucky. Only there.
Continue on route.
We're good. We're golden. Going up top, Keek? Do it. Good girl. I think the cooler had slid forward a little bit, making her jump harder. Oh, these roads. Alright. I'm not going to film the back of a fifth wheel. And I'm not going to curse about the bump. So we'll come back later. I'm rejuvenated after hiking back in the AC.
A decent sized boat. See? Pretty awesome. It said a warning to larger vehicles, so I stayed down there. The lady at the bottom told me, oh, it was a good mile up there. It wasn't that far, but steep. Keep finding ways to get high.
Parking at the bottom isn't bad because the lot up top is really small.
Alright, YouTubers, that was Palisades Point. Oh, nice of that Suburban to let me back up. Alright, Benny's back where he needs to be, I guess. Kiki's didn't move. cruising. 35 miles an hour. We'll get there. Nobody behind me. This may be one of my non-typical days. This may be, I don't know where I'm staying tonight. Could be a Walmart, could be a campground. Don't know. We'll see.
Because I got plans for more stops before the end of this day. Soaking it all in.
Voice command. Find city. Duluth, Minnesota. Navigate. Start new route.
Duluth was just an idea. It's not where I end up for this day, but there'll be more videos. So have a great and wonderful day.